Create your own English handwriting practice notebook page using Microsoft Word. Let's do it step by step. Go to the Insert tab. Click on Table and select 3 rows and 1 column. Now stretch the table across the full width of the page. Next, copy the table. Press Enter and paste it below. Repeat this to fill the page with right-hand row. Now let's add guidelines. Go to the Insert tab again. Click Shapes and select a line. Draw a line across the table like this. Then change its color to red. Press Ctrl+C to copy the line and paste it across all the rows. Now let's add a header section. Double click at the top of the page to open the header. Go to Insert. Click Text box and choose a simple text box. Type date and page number. Then format it. Set the style to transparent black dark one for a clean look. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.